Did your AC randomly stop cooling? Well, stick around because I'm about to tell you two of the main reasons why it stops working. There's going to be a couple of things that you want to look for. Is your AC inside running or not running? Is your fan outside running or not running? Those are all little factors. Now, if you come out here and your fan is running, but it is not getting cold, if you listen closely, you won't hear that compressor. More than likely, you have a bad capacitor. So then we go ahead and take a test on that. You're going to set your meter to microfarads. There we go. We got that ready. And then we can go ahead and test it. Now, this capacitor is a 55 MFD. Not that that's relevant, but the point is that you want to check from common to Herm. You're going to always have it listed right here. This one's a little bit hazy, but it says Herm right there. You got your fan right here, and you got your common right here. Now, your common is always going to have 4 little prongs. Now, your Herm is always going to have 3 prongs. And then this side, which is your fan, is going to have 2 prongs. Unless you have a run capacitor, then you're only going to have 2, not 3. Now, if you have 2, it's much simpler. You're going to have 4 pieces on each side, but it's going to still be the same wiring setup. Now, to test it, you're going to go ahead and check from common, which would be the power, to the compressor. So you basically put on both sides, one right here and one right here. And you want to see some kind of reading. We have 31, but this is a 55. So those are numbers that we do not want to see. So we've determined that our capacitor is the issue. Now for the second one, the next possibility of why your AC could stop running, and this is the case where nothing is running. Your outdoor unit is not running, your indoor unit is not running. So the next case would be a drain line. If you have a little float switch. Now, if you don't have a float switch and you don't have anything going on and the unit's not running, call an AC tech because you're going to need some help. Let's go get that capacitor. We got our capacitor. Let's get this bad boy put in place. Remember what I was telling you guys. You got 4, you got 2, and you got 3. And just like I was telling you, you see, you got the little letters right there. You got your Herm. Herm stands for compressor. Your fan, I don't think I have to tell you that. And then the C stands for common.